Introducing the 2025 Cupra Leon 2.0 TDI with 150 horsepower and DSG transmission. This sleek black estate car is loaded with features like air conditioning, Bluetooth, lane departure warning, and much more. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Enjoy the luxury trim, privacy glass, and roof rails for added style. Rest assured, with a full health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details. Drive away in luxury and peace of mind today.